Fazal and I represent a Lahore-based company called Amana Private Limited. We do mobile payments, P2P mobile payments, and we've been doing it for the last 4 years, and we have 200,000 beta users of our application. About this event, though, this event is the fourth event related to IT and finance that I've attended over the last 4 months in Karachi only. And this is one of the biggest reasons why there might not have been more bankers than expected in the first two sessions, especially. Because we really don't know as technology provider or as a banker or as a security officer as to what events to attend and what not to attend. And if we want to attend, what capacity do we sponsor it? Do we put our booth out there? Do we send our speaker? So there are just so many events taking place. 4 in 4 months is just too many for a city like Karachi. And I have a feeling that's the only reason you didn't see enough, but I think there was still a significant presence. The event was not marketed that well to the banking community. I didn't know about it until yesterday, and I didn't have the agenda to the event until this morning. So maybe the distribution was lacking, especially in the internet and email fashion. It was run mostly offline by the Dawn Group. So it was amazing that they had 110% attendance, even with that low levels of marketing that they did. Just imagine if they had done more marketing, kitne log aa jate. What was your last question?
The challenges.
Challenges. पाकिस्तान में हर बंदा दूसरे बंदे को चोर समझता है, ठीक है ना? So when you have a society where everybody feels that the other party is up for grabs and they're going to fraud me, this increases their vigilance process, this increases their due diligence process, and this increases their concerns about the other party. So जब internet banking या mobile banking या mobile payments या mobile commerce, you use any of these terms, the first thing people talk about is this secure? And and this is how they start the conversation. They don't talk about the business case, they don't talk about the business value, they don't talk about how A-time distribution, जो scratch card का business है, that's a $3 billion with a B, $3 billion opportunity per year in Pakistan. And just A-time distribution over mobile worth $3 billion is an opportunity. There are so many other use cases of mobile commerce which don't involve transferring millions of dollars over mobile phones. तो बहुत सारे use cases हैं 100 रुपए के 200 रुपए के which add up to billions of dollars. There is very little room for fraud, and definitely less fraud than it takes place with physical scratch cards or with ATMs or with credit cards. So we feel that companies, whether it's Toyotas or whether it's telecos or whether it's banks, they need to appreciate the use cases for mobile commerce before and then as per the use case, see how much security is required to, if you want to do $1 million transaction over cell phone, you're talking to a different talking about a different use case. You're talking about a 100 रुपए का scratch card over mobile phone, you're talking about a different use case. And so whenever people talk to companies like Amana for mobile payments, they need to put the use case in perspective before they start raising. एक साहब ने कहा, मजाक में कहा था कि मैं अपने सेल फोन के साथ अब एक सिक्योरिटी का बॉक्स लेके फिरूंगा. And this is what we see in real life when we go and talk to people, कि security conscious बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं लोग, without really realizing use cases की बात जब करते हैं कि बिल पेमेंट है, बिल पेमेंट में कौन फ्रॉड करेगा या कौन आपके ब्याह पे SSEC को जाके आपका बिल पे कर रहा होगा. So let's talk about the real use cases which are themselves $1 billion opportunities in Pakistan without even involving mobile banking.